Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video, we're going to look at how to do it on TikTok with a saved video. So guys, this is actually very easy to do, so let's get started. Now, as you know, by default on TikTok, you can only do it directly from your camera with a video. But if you actually want to do it with a saved video, it's still possible. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. Now, first of all, let me take you to my TikTok homepage so that we can actually download two videos which we are going to be duetting with on TikTok. Huh? All right, let's say, for example, I want to duet with this video. I'm going to have to click on the share button. And now I'll have to save this video on my device. All right, it's actually saving. Okay, saving is complete. So let's look for another video and save. Right, let's say we want to save this video too. We're going to have to click on the share button and then we're going to click on save video and then it will start saving on this device. This video has been saved too. So guys, the next thing we have to do is to go out from TikTok app and then I'm going to show you how you can actually do it on TikTok with those two videos we have saved on our device. So I take it to my device, you find out I have the video saved here. So if I want to do it with those two videos, I'll have to go to Play Store and install an app. And the name of this app is Video College. So you have to go to Play Store and install this app. All right, here's the app, the one at the top. So once you install the app on your device, I already have it installed on my device. So once you install this app on your device, you just need to go ahead and open this app. All right, so I'm going to open this app right now and then select the video option and let's choose the first option there, which is create. Then you need to choose a frame that you would like to use. So I'm going to choose this frame. All right, and then if you look at the top, you're going to find this plus icon. Go ahead and click on that. And I'm going to choose this camera. So now we're going to choose the two videos we want to use. So I'm going to select them and click on this. And after clicking on that, the next thing you have to do is to click on this check mark at the top right corner and then choose the size of the video and then it will start saving on your device. All right, once saving is complete, you have to go back to your device and check the video. So I'm going to go to my videos. Okay. So these are the two videos. So this is how you can simply do it on TikTok with a saved video. So hope this guide was easy. If you think it was, give this video a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video.